Control room, this is Surface. Sending the cage down to level 40. All clear.
All clear topside. Cage confirmed, ready for descent.
Control, this is level 4. Ventilation seems stable, but the airflow is strong down here. Over.
Affirmative, Control. We are taking on heavy load now. All clear below.
Confirming ascent parameters nominal. Hoist running steady.
Are the bins ready at level 4?
Affirmative. Send the load.
Pay close attention to the ventilation protocols in Sector 4. We are on a strict timeline, so double-check all equipment now.
Charlie 2-1, this is Surface Control. Shaft clear, you are good for descent.
Over. Control, this is Cage 1. Personnel and equipment secure. Requesting clearance for descent to level 49. Radio check complete. Control, this is level 42. Personnel are clear of the cage.
Base, this is Team 4. Radio check.
Check the bolts on that upper joint.
Looks secure, but the vibration is high right here.
Control, this is Rig 4. We are aligned and stabilized at the target. Commencing drilling sequence.
Level cleared for haulage. Proceed en route. Roger. Radio check, over.
Control to loader operator. Proceed to level 4. Over.
Roger that. Moving to level 4.
Control, this is Loader 4, moving to Shaft 2.
Confirmed. Loader 4. Proceed.
Status check on level 4. All clear up here, copy that. Control, this is Feeder 1. Radio check, over.
Level 48 5D. Skip loaded. Clear for hoist.
Loading complete. Skip is full. Hoist away.
Radio check, radio check. How's the signal down here? Loud and clear, driver. Proceed to level 4.
Gate reports green. Load confirmed. You are clear to proceed.
Control, the uneven load is diverting to the recheck bay now.
Confirmed. Diverter engaged. Mainline clear.
Ore dump confirmed. May Pass is clear for skip routing. Bay 2, confirm status.
All green, passing the gate now.
Hoist operator, confirmation received. Skip 3 is ready for ascent.
Roger that. Skip is secure and clear to hoist.
Hoist 1 to surface control, alignment confirmed. Proceeding with ascent. Surface control confirms skip ascent. All systems nominal.
Surface, skip secure. Send the empty down. Surface to control. Skip secure. Ready to dump.
Over. Over.
Control, skip 1 is empty. Transfer complete.
Radio check. Do you copy?
Mill 2 running steady. Acknowledge feed rate adjustment. Confirmed. Maintaining flow. Stand by for shift change. All systems nominal. Crushing sequence initiated. Control room, this is platform 2. Flow rates are nominal. Gauges confirmed.
Confirmation on the intermediate output. Tray secured. Ready for next phase.
Weighing sequence complete. Ready for transport.
Secure area. Transfer confirmed. Proceeding to furnace intake.
All clear on the upper deck. The oversize return is cycling correctly. We are maintaining target throughput.
Route confirmed. Moving to the furnace zone.
Acknowledged.
Initiating sequence.
Route clearance confirmed. Proceeding to the hot zone.
Confirmed. The materials are staged for the next phase. Over.
base, this is Port Station 1. Flow rate is nominal. Confirmation received.
Control, this is Station 4. Bar is set, cooling initiated.
Radio check, over.
Sample confirmed and marked. Ready for transfer to custody.
A unit confirms T-105 passage. Door cycling. Plant reporting 50 tons per hour. Copy. Sampling station confirms.
Security to strong room, level 2.
Control, this is Catwalk 4. All clear, conveyor running steady. Over.